Alright guys, ready na naman tayo sa gala for today. Pupunta tayo sa temple niya. Doon sa pinupuntahan namin temple na mataas. Tapos after nun, pupunta kami sa Siam Road. Kakain ng char kway teow. Famous din siya sa Penang guys. So yun ang gala natin. Tapos pupuntang Arashi. Ayun. Sa Gurney Plaza. Yun ang for today guys. Yan ang lakad natin. So, see you later. Ready na kaming gumala. Anong oras? 12:30. Yan guys. Okay, mamaya ulit guys. Bye. Okay, labas na tayo guys. Yan. Hello guys. Start our journey again. Kapan kami Jai? Keloxi Temple, correct? Keloxi Temple daw. Yes. Okay. See you later.
You see, here got 118 hotel. Near the Sunway, no, near your Lorong Baru. Every day you will be, huh? Yeah, here, come on, it's Lorong Baru, what? That 118 hotel, McAllister. You look at the durian so big.
Durian. I want to take the photo.
Not crazy about durian already, ah. They don't want to say you can't stand the smell. I think it's dirty. Okay, I'll see from the water.
Cho mình phải lâu đau ấy rồi đúng không?
Vậy mà.
Rồi kêu lên xí đường một.
Diyan kami pupunta guys.
Gemuk. Tapi dia macam kena langgar mampu ke?
Mau tak tengok.
Tengoklah gemuk.
Tengok orang lah.
Saya dah baru kena langgar mampu. Bodoh dia gemuk.
Anak.
Mau tak tengok.
Mana yours is, mine is for my own self. You are for the thing that's okay. But even the flight, I mean the what you call that? 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock is okay lah. It's okay because it's also no need say must 15, 40 lah. But I'm just wondering why yesterday so lucky can get the thing exactly the same. Then today only, yeah. But the price, if the price maybe lower than yesterday, better even. Then also the dates. The dates, maybe you can change a bit around there lah. You just play around with the, you know, the dates. Like you say 14 to 18, maybe 12 to don't know what, or 13 to don't know what, or you can play around. Maybe suddenly you strike another one. Yesterday I don't know how you managed to strike this one. I didn't give you any bills.
Sini malam tutup lah.
Malam tak tutup lah, jalan tak tutup lah.
Ya, tak.
Yang
Ada lampu lah.
Lampu
Ada lampu.
Jangan bukit atas yang boleh pergi mah. Orang ada duduk atas mah. Ini lem sini atas lem mah. Ini atas satu lem mah.
Dia mesti taruh ni cermin. Kalau tak ada cermin kita.
Mau tengok senang.
Mau tengok senang. Gondang pun mesti taruh.
Ada blind spot. Very skill.
Ini mewah kan pom.
Ya.
Tu tahun dia orang tak tahu turun
Dia laju ah.
Ha,
Habis.
dia cepat.
Ya.
Baik-baik ya.
Punta namin dito guys, pupunta kami dito sa ano, sa Keloxi Temple. Dito yung lagi niyang pinupuntahan guys pag nagkasar. Ayan o, ayan siya. Ito yung punta niya dito sa Penang. Nandyan siya guys. Tapos ako naman mag-iikot kasi hindi naman ako nagdadasal doon guys. Ayan o, ay ganyan ang ano niya dito guys sa likuran. Yan, temple kasi to guys. Ito yung ano sa Keloxi Temple. Yan. Ano meron doon? Pupunta ko doon guys sa ano na yun. Ayan. Ganda yung view dito guys. Arito, may fish kaya yan? May fish siya din siya guys. Hindi ako nang pumunta doon guys. Ay, pwede siguro. Ganda, no? Yung ano kanina guys. Yan. Pupunta ako doon. Oh, may ano doon. Okay, may mga zodiac animals dito guys. Ayan. Mga nagbebenta ng ano to guys. Malaki siya yan guys. Ini-extend nila yan para maakyat yung sa taas guys. Para maging attraction yan. Ayan siya. Ito naman guys, overlooking dun sa baba. Ayan. Na lagay ko na sa vlog ko to dati guys. Ayan o, ganyan siya sa taas. Ayan. Overlooking ang Penang. Aray, sobrang init lang guys. Maluluto ka dito sa init guys. Balik na ako dun sa temple.
Wait, get a little bit closer to the fire. Add some, seconds to it. The dragon is there. Yeah, but it's not hot.
May picture na ako dati dito. My pig. My snake. Ayan. Ang mga zodiac animals. So guys. Ayan, balik na ako doon. Di pa tapos siya. Hindi ka mag-wish dito guys. Ayan. Bibili mo yung mga tapos susulatan mo siya. Ayan, isasabit mo dyan. Yung mga colors na guys. May nakalagay dyan kung anong color yung bibili mo for health, success of career. So guys, all things as you wish for, ganyan. May mga kulay-kulay siya.
Like, it is just like normal.
Missing ribbon. Oh. Okay. Okay, we go and eat chocolate cake.
Good luck. Hopefully the one
Sa
is
tabi-tabi lang guys.
okay. Yeah, guys.
Guys.
Guys lah.
Isa-
Thank you.
Haba ng pila guys. Roadside lang siya guys. Ayan. Isa na ulit guys. Daming pila. Ang daming tao. Daming tao guys. Habang pila. Charcoal yung ginagamit nila guys pagluto ng char kway teow.
2,000 years later.
Char.
Oh, you order for him ah? You order for him. Come here.
Okay, kain tayo.
going to stop already. Right?
Ito lang pala binili namin.
No, no, later only Rashi gonna finish.
Yeah. Snack lang namin to guys. Try lang namin. Masarap siya. Ayun na namin guys. Tagal na yan. Ayan. 1965 ay charot. What? Dami pang pila guys. Summer.
Okay, take coffee先啦。
Diyan kami kumain.
Then after eating, can go back to hotel.
Wala namang pangalan ni Siam Road.
Jalan Siam.
What's the roadside?
No, and they're coming in and they're going out.
Oh.
That's not coming in and saw Jalan Siam. Later you get ready. Ah, good. You said this side can take. Because you're going out is this side. Right?
Oh, isn't it?
Your side. I think the road side, I think your side.
Ada. Oh.
I'm not sure. I think it's your side. I think so. Yeah. I think.
Where?
I think only. Very sure.
Pinapahanap ko siya ni Siam Road.
他没有路名啊，这边
卖这个啊，
啊
你叫什么路呢？
啊，我知道他要录下来。
哦，那这边呢？前面他排在前面吗？
哦，OK，不要紧的，你看一下。哦，yeah，go， 有晒，Jalan Siam
Ah,
get ready ah, Jalan Siam.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
好，
Okay, go.
Nampak?
Yes,
Jalan Siam.
nampak bang. Thank you. Jalan Siam.
他要录，他要录。
Siam Road. Jalan Siam. Siam.
Makan pun
Bili
ramai
lang kami
orang.
ng konting pasalubong.
Yang itu
Ayan.
kita bawa blender tu.
Dito.
Blender hari-hari. Blender minum.
Torpe nga talaga ato nga eh. Gumantang kami ti white coffee guys. At saka ka ng Penang white coffee guys.
I know lah, you know.
Okay na 70 putas ikan. Oh my goodness. Ayan.
黄色红红的。
明天是阿公嘛，最后一天。
啊，对。
Your family is all young. You say all the rest don't have.
Ini your son.
Bernie Plaza.
Mungkin beri bersiap dah abang Amma baru pergi Batu Tinggi tu.
可是阿公阿妈可能东西不可以放在你的车太久了。Ah, take yourself good. At last, take yourself. Announcement, you said pregnant.
Oh, video. When we say good.
Whenever I say I got announcement, they say, is it pregnant? Every time like that. Always pregnant, they can make announcement, eh? Cook again, must say some things, don't exactly the same as last time. Okay, wait. Okay, 我拍 video 了。Video start now.
Ulit guys. Bibili ulit. Paki-alamera ka ako na naman. Again. This one. Chicken wing. Apa? Yeah. Order ko chicken wings guys. Titikman natin yung chicken wings. Yeah, satay 6 pieces, 5. Yeah. Order 5 satay. Ito pinili namin guys. Okay, yun lang binili namin guys kasi napagod na kami.